Let's see if we can find our room. We got lost coming up here, but we'll see. It's kind of dim out here. Oh, our room is in the corner, and as soon as you walk in, this is what you will see. But if you go to your right, this is going to be the bathroom. It's small. It's smaller than the Miami Intercontinental hotel. Their bathroom is a bit smaller, but the shower though is bigger because it can fit like two. In Miami, my husband and I can't shower together, so you can't shower two in Miami, but this one you can shower two people. And then I thought it was weird that there's like a whole full body mirror right beside the toilet, but at the same time it's kind of good because you can get ready and see yourself, but it's just weird, it's right beside the toilet. So this is the bathroom. It's just your regular tiles. I do love the shower though because it's very modern right here, and you have the shower head. So let's see if the pressure of the water will be strong. There you go. So it's a strong pressure water, and the same thing with the faucet, you see. So that's good. It's not, you know, it's perfect, but they also have that, which is, I forgot to turn it off earlier. So that's the bathroom. And then the next thing here that I am going to show you, this is the room area. However, the view is behind that curtain. I will show you in a minute, but for now let me show you the king size bed. You have two lamps and two bed nightstand each side. Let me turn this on so you all can see better. And over here you have the office or study desk, your telephone, your switch, and then here's your drawer. You have the snacks. It's not complimentary, so the same thing, you have to pay for it. Over here we have the small fridge full of stuff, but it's a big no-no because it's triple price than you can get in the store. So, and CVS and Walgreens is just nearby. You have 3 drawers, again 2 bed nightstand. You have the king size bed, and look at the headboard. It start from here all the way down to the end, and then to your left side to the bed, it is your small chair or accent chair with a standing lamp. And then you have our luggage here because we just got here, we just checked in. So this is your frame right there, and then you have the TV on the wall. So this is what it looks like with the light on. So I'm gonna turn off all the lights so you guys can see what it looks like at night. So if you are laying on your bed, this is the view that you are going to see in this room. So since this is a corner room, you will see 2 views, which is 2 sides. So this is on the right side of the bed. That is the view that you are going to see. There's not much traffic now because I believe it is 2:11 in the morning right now. So there's no traffic, but earlier there's like quite a lot of people walking by and cops and traffic, but right now it's just cars. It's not even like traffic at all. So this is an amazing view to your right side, and to your front, in front of the bed or the footbed, this is what you are going to see. This is the view at night, and it's really amazing. Since this is a corner side of the hotel room, you will see 2 sides of the Manhattan area. But anyway, that's what you're going to see. Again, it's not much cars or people walking on the street because again, it's 2 a.m. in the morning, and my husband and I just got back actually from our dinner at Coty. But yes, it was amazing dinner, and we just got back, and this is the view, and we're about to get ready to go to bed so we can have a long, full, fun day tomorrow. So I will show you the view in the morning. That way you have an idea what it looks like with, you know, daytime. The nighttime is beautiful. Also earlier you will see a lot of plane, helicopter, and yes, it's amazing view, and it's totally worth it. My husband paid 2 nights, but the other night, since he is an ambassador, he got the free night stay, and I couldn't believe how much was the free night. This is the room. Good night. See you tomorrow morning.
Early the next morning.
So daytime, this is the view from our room. So this is from the other side. That's what you will see, and the bed is right behind me. So while at night, this is what you will see sitting on the bed. And then on the other side of the room, you have this view. Like, look at that. That's really tall. It's really amazing view here. And it's even more beautiful at night. So that's what you will see from the right side of the bed of the room. And then you will also see the Hudson River right there. Like you will see, that's the river. So what a wonderful stay. Maybe next time we come back, we'll do the other list. We didn't have a chance to do the Central Park and the 9/11 Memorial. The building, the Twin Tower, where it used to be. But maybe next time, because we did accomplish a lot for, you know, for 4 days or 3 days being here. And it was amazing stay. And maybe next time we come back, we'll do the rest.